March 25th, 2018. A little surprise. We got some changes once again on the 1-ton single wheel. You're probably not going to believe this, but there's something for everyone. And for me, I like a truck that just runs good. One I can just get in, hit the key and have her fire right up. Listen to this. In my opinion, one of the best motors ever put in a pickup. 4.3 liter V6. Purring like a kitten. I'm going to desmog it. That's about it. Probably convert it to serpentine belt. Brand new radiator, everything. She's going in my, you guessed it, she's going in the 1-ton single wheel. We're going to convert to a hydraulic clutch. That baby runs good. If this wasn't just coming off the Y pipe, you probably wouldn't even hear it. Plow works good. Plow works real good. I actually back dragged in front of the garage earlier. 4 good tires on it. Too bad they weren't 16s. Bed full of gravel. You can fill in holes. I never even looked at the miles. Probably 160, 159,000. Probably it says 59,000. Let me look at the seat. Yeah, that's probably 159,000. When I go buy a 30-year-old truck, I don't really ask how many miles are on it. Dome light even works. I think I'm going to swap the whole cab and just take my interior, because my interior is nicer. Well, there you have it. 4.3 liter. Gonna be a 4.3 liter K30 with the 833 overdrive. Yeah, I like it. Have a good weekend.